Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether the Maya app is still worth using in 2025. Here's what you need to know. Maya offers an all-in-one fintech service in the Philippines with digital banking via Maya Bank, wallet payments, QR scan feature at 600k merchants, bill pay, remittance, crypto, personal loans, and up to 14% interest on savings, and it's earned global recognition as the Philippines' top digital banks and Forbes Global Test Best Bank finalists. But despite its features, many users report security issues like unauthorized drain of savings without OTP or phishing detection. Account access freezes require lengthy verification that locks you out of savings or crypto for days, and a customer service experience widely described as unresponsive, slow, boat driven, or impossible to reach live help. So if you value convenience and want digital financial services built specifically for the Philippines with perks like credit access and high interest, Maya may be useful, but if you keep sizable funds or rely on stable account access and support, its risk factor might outweigh the benefits, and you might consider more reliable digital banks or traditional banks instead. Hit like if this was helpful. Subscribe for more honest fintech reviews and let me know in the comments what you think. Is this really worth it, or are you done with Maya?